Hey guys, hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be my Lima, and I think it's Trust. It's not a scam, is it? I'll just trade rare item Monday. So well, let's check spikes. Well, I got two of them. So let's trade them. I just got it. It's a duplicate, and I don't want it. I'm recording, so I'm hoping I get mine back. Cause, oh my god, I get it back. Oh my god, this is no scam. It's not a scam. Oh my god. It's not a scam. It's not a scam. Oh my god. It's not a scam. So far, it's going good. I love giveaways, but I only legit ones, obviously. And oh my god, it's so dark. Hold on a minute. I think I've actually got a thunderstorm coming in because, you know, I don't think, cause it says we got some random stuff. Like thunderstorms a lot today, which I do like, but can be very scary. So, who's winning? I want to know who's winning. Like, I've got a new phone, and I am so happy. Yay! Oof. Sorry. Dude, I traded. What? I'm so happy because I got nerds back, guys. I've got my nerds back. I traded my chloroform and then I was like, oh my god. And then Plantation won. And then she gave it to me. She gave it to me and said, you can have a duplicate because I know that I'll probably get scammed or hacked and I don't really want him. And I was like, oh. Okay. Done. I am so shaky right now. I'm hoping. That's on. Oh my god. Just wait for them to accept. Really? You declined. Okay. Try again. I am so shaky right now. She said the spike. Try again. I am so shaky. Do you think I really get it, guys? Okay. Oh my god! They didn't send it. You sent necklace. They sent a necklace. No, it's not. I want my spike. She didn't give me. She didn't give me the spike. She apparently literally, I am so scared right now. Where is the spike? I'm so sick, guys. But at least, why did she send a necklace? I'm really fed up, guys. What about this? Guys, she's lying. It can't glitch. Guys, I just don't know what to do. Scammer with the classic glitch. Clever. This is all on video. If you're not, guys, she has literally catfished us. She is not giving me this bike. Whoa. Really? Really? Wow. You're a hacker. You're a hacker. She's locked us all out and she's a hacker. I am so scared. She's a hacker and guys, I'm freaking out. I'll send her a friend. What? You lied about... Guys, I'm shaking right now. If my friend Roxy was here, she would stop me from doing all this. Apparently it was a test. I am shaky. I've not got to... No. Goodbye. Apparently it was a test. I'll find him. You getting out with Dan? Guys, she threatened to hack. And I've got to do my whole thing because I wanted to make sure she didn't have me. Anyway, guys, that is all. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you later. Bye!